Pennies from the Sky. A story from England.
Little Amy is very poor. She hasn't got any money, but she's very kind.
We are poor and cold. My little girl hasn't got shoes. Can you help us? Of course. Take my shoes. Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
I am poor and cold. It's raining and I'm not wearing a hat. Can you help me?
Of course. Take my hat.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
I'm poor and cold. It's snowing and I'm not wearing a dress. Can you help me?
Of course. Take my dress.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
Oh dear. It's so cold.
Suddenly, it's raining pennies.
Wow! Pennies from the sky! Magic! Look at me now! I've got a new hat, a new dress, and a new coat. I'm not cold. Thank you.